Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. As we promised, we are back with a new weekend vlog. This weekend was very exciting and was full of unexpected things that we wanted to share with you all. Weekend is a time to rejuvenate our mind, soul, body and lots of preparation for the upcoming week. We woke up to a lazy Saturday morning with the calm winter vibes. We also enjoyed the leisure time doing nothing, being on energy saving mode. We were watching a food vlog and came to know about this place. It was a small food joint named Noon's Biryani serving only Hyderabadi biryani by a couple. So to support them in the pandemic situation, we planned to visit on one of the Saturday for a lunch. It was 21-kilometer drive from our place and it was bit crowded. There were queue and we had to wait for 30 to 40 minutes for our turn to taste the biryani. Biryani was fine. Meanwhile, we were planning to stock up groceries. Listing groceries is a task, my god. It took us quite some time and then headed out to near grocery hypermarket. Finally, we came for our grocery shopping. We'll show one day how grocery shopping looks like in Bangalore by a Bengali couple. This is the same kulcha we used in our previous vlog. It was so nice. I was just looking here and there. So how cute these oranges are. Look what we found, Jharnagi. Friends and family who are away from Kolkata will get to know the actual happiness. We got it as soon as we saw it. Next day was Sunday. I was lucky enough to get breakfast on bed. And who made it? Guess what? Partha did it. By the way, he is a great cook. He is just doing some veggies, boiled veggies with some salt and pepper. After this healthy and yummy breakfast, we were thinking how to spend the whole day. Then we just got ready and headed out with no destination. Keeping one thing in mind that Bangalore is surrounded by hills. So riding some kilometer to nature will sure lead us to some beautiful destination. So we were basically riding towards Nandi Hills, which is a must-visit place in Bangalore and a popular tourist place in Bangalore. Then we were stopped by the scenic beauty of Marigold Garden. Going to restaurants, malls, shoppings, hang out with friends will never give you this kind of satisfaction. We just gone crazy out here. See the view. So we just spent around 30 to 40 minutes here. Took some photographs and then came back. So this is our whole weekend vlog. So hope you enjoy it. We will come back with our next video. Till then, stay humble, stay safe and enjoy the little moments of life. Bye.